Namaskar. Welcome to my art class. My name is Ambrish Brahmachari. Today we are going to discuss about Rajasthani paintings. Rajasthani paintings are popularly known as Rajput paintings. Today our focus of discussion will be on Rajasthani paintings, its origin and development. The subschools of Rajasthani art are Mewar, Bundi, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Kishangarh and Jaipur. We are going to discuss about the main features of the Rajasthani school, and finally we are going to study the methods and materials and appreciation of the following Rajasthani paintings. Number 1. Maru Ragini. Painter was Shaibuddin and the subschool was Mewar. The second painting is Raja Anuruddha Singh Hara. The painter was Utkal Ram and the subschool was Bundi. The third painting is Chhagan Players. Painter was Dana and the subschool was Jodhpur. The fourth painting we are going to discuss is Krishna on Swing. The painter was Nuruddin and the subschool was Bikaner. The most important painting, the fifth one, is Radha, Bani Thani. The painter was Nihal Chand and the subschool was Kishangarh. The last painting is Bharat Meets Ram at Chitrakoot. The painter was Goman and the subschool is Jaipur. The term Rajput painting was coined by the scholar Ananda Kumaraswamy in 1916. He used this term to describe the paintings which are taking place mainly in the Rajputana area. The entire Rajputana area includes the regions of Rajasthan, parts of Malwa, parts of Gujarat, the northwestern Himalayan part and even some parts of Sindh. So, the Rajput paintings can broadly be divided into two parts, the Rajasthani school and the paintings which are taking place in the Himalayan regions, which are known as the Pahari school of painting. So, these two school of paintings together comprises the Rajput paintings, and Ananda Kumaraswamy uses this term to differentiate between the Rajput paintings and the Mughal paintings, because these paintings were mainly done between the time period of 16th century to the early 19th century AD. Rajasthani paintings were mainly done on Washli paper. Washli is actually a kind of paper where thin papers are glued together to a desired thickness. Once the achieved thickness has been done, then the master painter used to draw his outline with a thin or a fine brush. The entire drawing is either made with black or brown color. The brushes which are used for these paintings are either obtained from the hair of camel or squirrel. Very fine brushes are used for making these paintings. The colors which are used for these paintings are generally very natural and often from the surroundings. For instance, we get white from powdered corn shell mixed with glue. We get blue from the mineral of lapis lazuli, mainly found in Afghanistan. We can also see a lavish use of silver and gold for making these paintings. Rajasthani paintings were generally done on the walls, and it is a mural art. Mural painting is a form of painting which is done on the walls. So it is large in format. But with the advent of the Mughals, the entire Rajasthan was attacked by the Mughals. As a result, painting was limited only to those parts of Rajasthan which were not affected by the attack of the Mughals. Mewar was one such region which was unaffected by the attack of the Mughals. As a result, we find from the large format, a small format of painting was generally done by the painters, and from the mural art it generally became from to the miniature art. Now we are going to discuss about the main characteristic features of the Rajasthani miniature paintings. We can see a variety in theme. There is a great variety in themes on the paintings of Rajasthan. Themes are based on season, music, hunting scenes, religious themes like Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. Love scenes, Ragmala series, etc. In love scenes, Krishna and Radha has been depicted. The color scheme. The main colors used are primary colors red, yellow and blue, green, brown and white. Other colors in use are golden and silver. Now the costumes. Females are wearing lehenga and choli with transparent dupatta. Males are wearing turbans and joba, a group of threads, pajama and patka. Facial features. Faces are full of emotions and feelings according to the mood. The faces are in profile, elongated and oval. The forehead is inclining downwards. Long and pointed nose, swelling out lips and pointed chin. Depiction of women. The women of Kishangarh school are very impressive. Lines. The lines are very fine, powerful and rhythmic. Depiction of nature. Nature has been depicted very beautifully. Different types of trees, floral trees, mountains, water springs and lakes has been depicted. Maru Ragini, painted by Shahibuddin. His sub-school is Mewar. The medium is watercolor with tempera on paper. Raja Anuruddha Singh Hara, painted by Utkal Ram. His sub-school is Bundi. The medium is watercolor with tempera on paper. Chhagan Players, painted by Dana. His sub-school is Jodhpur. Medium is watercolor with tempera on paper. Krishna on Swing, painted by Nuruddin. Sub-school is Bikaner. Medium is watercolor with tempera on paper. Radha Bani Thani, painted by Nihal Chand. Sub-school is Krishangarh. Medium is watercolor with tempera on paper. Bharat meets Ram at Chitrakoot, a scene from Ramayana, painted by Goman. Sub-school is Jaipur. Medium is watercolor with tempera on paper. Thank you for viewing my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and put a like for this video.